Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Nest Wealth, found at nestwealth.com, presents itself as a digital wealth management platform designed for everyone, promising simplicity and affordability. They emphasize their low fees, transparent approach, and personalized portfolio management. The platform appears to cater to a wide range of investors, from beginners just starting out to those with more established portfolios seeking a hands-off approach to investing. Nest Wealth highlights their use of sophisticated algorithms and models to create and manage diversified portfolios tailored to individual risk tolerance and financial goals. They seem to offer a user-friendly digital experience, allowing clients to monitor their investments and communicate with advisors through an online portal. The website showcases features such as automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and goal tracking. Nest Wealth suggests that their services provide a convenient and cost-effective way to access professional wealth management. They appear to strive to demystify investing and empower individuals to take control of their financial future. Further investigation into specific fees, investment strategies, and available account types would be necessary for a comprehensive evaluation. It's always prudent to thoroughly research any financial platform before making investment decisions. Be sure to check out their site at nestwealth.com for a more in-depth look at their offerings. Remember, diversification and a long-term perspective are key components of a successful investment strategy. Don't hesitate to explore other resources and consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your individual circumstances. Navigating the complexities of the financial world can be challenging, so utilizing available tools and expert advice can be invaluable. Finally, keep in mind that investing involves risks, and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results.